Stop wasting your hard-earned money. If you want to save $1,000 in just 30 days, you don't need a miracle. You just need a system. Let's break it down. First, audit your subscriptions. Cancel those apps you don't use and stop buying that daily $7 coffee. It sounds small, but it's a quick $250 back in your pocket. Second, kill the takeout habit. Start meal prepping on Sundays. It keeps you healthy and saves you an easy $300 a month. That's pure profit for your wallet. Finally, spend 4 hours each weekend on a side hustle. Whether it's freelancing or selling digital goods, that's your final $450. You now have your $1,000.
You did it!
Consistency is the secret.
Consistency is the secret. Start your 30-day challenge today and follow for more financial freedom tips.